Welcome. Today we're diving into how to make a call on Gmail. Gmail has made it easy to stay connected with friends and family. This guide will walk you through the updated steps for making both voice and video calls directly from your Gmail account. Whether you're on your computer or mobile device, Gmail offers a seamless way to connect. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. If you're on a computer, visit mail.google.com and log in. Once you're in, look for the Chat tab. On your phone, it's usually at the bottom of the screen. On the web app, you'll find it in the left sidebar. Next, click on the Google Chat icon to access your chats. This opens up your list of contacts and recent conversations. If you're trying to reach someone new, use the search bar to find them by name or email address. Remember, the person you're trying to call must have a Google account. Now enter the chat of the person you want to call. Once you're in the chat, look for the phone or video icon at the top right corner. To start a voice call, tap the phone icon. To make a video call, tap the camcorder icon. After tapping the icon, Gmail will initiate the call. If you're making a voice call, the other person will hear a ring. If you're making a video call, they'll receive a notification. Keep in mind that for call notifications to work properly, you need to have the latest version of the Gmail app installed. To end a call, simply click the end call icon. It's that easy to stay connected with Gmail. These calls are free, which makes it easier than ever to stay in touch. So that's how to make a call on Gmail. With these simple steps, you can easily connect with friends, family, and colleagues, all from within your Gmail account.